In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members to your Trello boards. Whether you're new to Trello or simply looking to broaden your collaboration efforts, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Trello account. Once you're in, navigate to the board where you want to add new members. It's important that you choose the right board as each board is usually oriented around specific projects or tasks. Now, once you're on the desired board, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. Now that you have your board ready, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll find a button labeled either Share or Invite. This button is your gateway to inviting new team members, so go ahead and give it a click. Once you do, a pop-up window will appear. This window is where the magic happens. Think of it as your control center for team collaboration. In the pop-up window, you'll see a field where you can enter the email address or Trello username of the person you like to add. Start typing in their information, and if they already have a Trello account, they'll be added to your board almost instantly. It's a real-time venture that integrates them smoothly into your workspace. If they don't have a Trello account yet, not to worry, an email invitation will be sent their way, prompting them to join and create an account if necessary. This ease of inviting ensures that all potential contributors can get involved without unnecessary delays. Once you've entered the email address or username, you're almost there. The next step is straightforward. Simply click the Send Invitation button. This action finalizes the invitation process, allowing the person you've nominated to access your board as soon as they accept. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to bring new contributors into your Trello boards. Adding team members is not just about expanding numbers, it's about enhancing collaboration, bringing diverse skills into your project, and facilitating better productivity. It's as simple as a few clicks. Yet the impact on your team's efficiency can be significant. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident in adding members to your Trello boards. If you're keen on maximizing your Trello experience and fostering better teamwork, adding the right people is a great place to start. Thank you for watching and happy Trelloing!